The reality is if you think your data warehouse is just a big data dump, congratulations, you don't have a data warehouse, you have an operational data store. Like what you've just described in a lot of cases is a staging layer or an ODS where you're accumulating all this information. All of it is more or less raw, maybe with some minor date tagging and metadata, but it's generally just a large swath of data. When you get into the warehouse, that's when you actually get into dimensionalization and modeling. I might have four different subject areas, four different sources, excuse me, that have records about a member. Well, that needs to be in one spot so that I don't have to go to four separate places to get my definition of a member. If I've done that, I've just created a fancy version of the isolated and disparate systems that I already have today. So the data warehouse is where, and it comes up a lot more now in the context of AI, is where that context, that awareness, that curation of not just data from a normalization perspective, but from an actual business definition standpoint has to be stored. Because if I have to go to 7 different places and know all of these rules intuitively, there's no scalability and there's no leveraging the idea of what a data warehouse or lake house or whatever you want to call it, just this centralized, consolidated, mastered, normalized where definitions and logics are applied, that has to be there. Everyone wants to talk about all the stuff that they want to do with AI. That's like trying to design your bathroom and your kitchen before you figured out how big of a house you want to have. Do I need a foundation? It's like you can't just go shopping for all the cool stuff until you've done the unsexy stuff, but that's the important pieces that lay the groundwork, the foundation, literally and metaphorically, for what you want to accomplish with AI in the future. And of course, all of your natural other business-focused data outcomes.